tips and tricks and what you suggest so that I can just kind of get myself out?
Dropping by their office with some chocolates. It can mean taking breakfast tacos or donuts to their team meeting. It can mean a handwritten note congratulating them on an award. It can mean an email linking to a blog that you've written about staging, or cleaning tips or holiday decorating idea or whatever, or about the market. So stopping by their open house, being at a realtor event that they're at. So just every way, asking them to coffee, every way that you can think of to touch the same people over and over and over again. So it's way better to go deep, find 1 or 2 or 3 brokerage offices that you're going to focus on, and then you just hammer them. You're just, every time they turn around, they're seeing you.
They're gonna see me. Okay.
You know? They just, because they're probably not going to have a listing at the moment that they meet you. You know, it's going to be 2 weeks from now or a month from now when they get that listing, and then they're going to go, oh, who was that girl? I really liked her, but what was her name? You know, you got to be in front of them when they get that listing, because they're not going to go looking for you then later. They're going to go to whatever one is in front of them. So so you got to make sure that you're the one that's right there, that they can't forget you because you're right there in front of them. And like I said, it can take a while to build that. But then you get 1 or 2 people in an office that have used you and love what you do, and they're talking about you to the others. And then somebody in that office sends out an email saying, hey, does anybody know a stager? And they get 3 emails from people going, oh yeah, I used Misha and she was awesome. And you know, so
Miss Debbie.
Yeah, so
I get it. Be unforgettable.
so just plow deep rather than wide. It would be better for 1 person to hear from you 100 times than for 100 people to hear from you 1 time. So, and then you also might look into teaching a CE class. And because agents all have to take CE, I have to take, like, I think it's 18 hours every 2 years. And some of that is mandatory certain hours, but then there's a bunch of elective hours. And agents would so much rather take a course in staging than in contracts or legal or something, you know. And so we have a presentation that's already done, and that you can customize with your logo and all of that kind of stuff. And you can, we have it approved in Texas. You can take that and get it approved in your state, and then teach that 1 hour CE class. So then, and this is so genius, they're paying you for you to teach them about why they should hire you.
Cha-ching, huh?
It's so good. It's great. So, and it's a chance for you to set yourself up as the expert. You know, you're standing there teaching them about staging. Well, when they need a stager, of course, they know that you're the expert. So call you.